Hey guys, wanna know how to join split tracks in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a easy step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get right into it. So first up, launch Audacity, and let's say I have a track right here. Now you can select a bit of track and let's split it. Right, as you can see, our track has been split. So how do I join it? Now for that, you can simply just press Ctrl+A, and then now go to Edit, go to Audio Clips, and then select Join. You can either press Ctrl+J as well. And here you can see your split tracks has been joined and it has been a single audio now. So if you do not want this gap as well, but you want your audio to be smooth, there's another step as well. So here we have our split tracks right here. Join them in first and then press Ctrl+A. Now go to Effects and then go to Fadings. Now select Crossfade Clips. Now here you can see the track has been crossfaded and it has been joined as well. So now your audio has been smoother, right? And the split tracks has been joined as well as it has become smoother as well. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure you like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you on the next one.